Have you ever felt like quitting your job and starting your own business? Do you procrastinate the idea of becoming an entrepreneur due to your fear of failure? Are you confused about how to start your business and want to learn the exact steps you need to take? Success Gyan Publishing presents Startup Recipe by Gunasekharan, your startup coach. In this book, Gunasekharan shares 21 ingredients to launch a business within 100 days, which will help you understand the right mindsets, skill sets, and tool sets you need to successfully launch, grow, and scale your business. He has successfully trained more than 40,000 corporate professionals and business leaders on startup process, money, and leadership. His mission is to create 1 million new entrepreneurs and 100 million jobs by 2030. Are you ready to be a part of his mission by launching, growing, and scaling up your business? Then Startup Recipe will help you do exactly that. Grab a copy of the book now.